What are macronutrients?
Macronutrients are the nutrients the body needs in large amounts for energy, growth, and daily function. The main three are carbohydrates, primary energy, 4 kilocalories per gram, includes simple sugars, complex starches, and fiber, which aids gut health and blood sugar control. Proteins, amino acids for structure and enzymes, 4 kilocalories per gram. And fats, dense energy, 9 kilocalories per gram. Cell structure, vitamin absorption, essential fatty acids. Water is also required in large amounts, but provides no calories. Typical intake ranges are carbohydrates 45 to 65%, protein 10 to 35%, fat 20 to 35% of total energy. Focus on complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and unsaturated fats. Limit added sugars and trans fats, and tailor needs to life stage, activity, or medical conditions.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!